Hey Rock Stars, it's me, Tiffany Rothe, and welcome to the TRFC site. I'm so excited that you guys took the leap to come on over to our community. Now, probably you heard about me from YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram, but this is our true home. This is our community. And so there's two ways that you guys can navigate the site. You can be on the site as a network member, which is sort of like a guest, or you can be an actual TRFC member, which is a part of my inner circle. So what I would like to do right now is explain to you the difference between them both. Now that you're here on the site, there are some free aspects of the site that you guys can use, and there are benefits to that. Number one, we have all the YouTube videos here without any ads. Hey, there's no ads. And you can also search them up by the type of body part that you want to work out, the type of workout that you want to do. Booyah! That's really exciting. The other thing that we have here is sort of like a back personal and private Facebook page. So like what happens in the TRFC stays in the TRFC unless I ask you for your permission to use one of your posts for a promotion or something like that, because I'm so proud of you. But other than that, this is our private page, which really makes a big difference in a society where everything is so super public. So what we do here is that we come here to get motivated in mind, body, and spirit. It's not just about me, you guys. It's about us. You know, our motto in the TRFC is we are better together. That means we have members from all over the world, all different walks of life, all different languages and religions and body types and races, and we're all here, right, towards one common goal: to live a fit, fierce, and fabulous way of life. So this is what we are and who we are about. So we have something on the members guest page, which is gratitude. So if you want to sign in every day, just to put your body in the space of gratitude, be grateful for being alive. Then we have something called What's the Tea? It's a topic, and that's where you'll get like the updates and posts from all the different members. Now, once you become a TRFC member, you are a subscriber. That means you get additional benefits. The additional benefits that you get are a planned program. Now, why is that important? Because when you have a schedule, right, and you stick to that schedule, you're more than likely to get better results. If you go, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, and you're left to your own devices, that's probably going to get you exactly where you are right now, which is wanting better results. So if you want better results, I encourage you to sign up for the subscription, because once you open it up, it tells you what to do, what to eat. All you have to do is follow the plan, and I guarantee you, you will get results. We start with a cleanse. We have a healthy eating plan that has vegetarian options, that has meat eating options, and we do workout, that we have one workouts for 30 minutes and one for 1 hour workouts on the level 1 program. The level 1 program is designed to help you burn fat. It's to help you burn fat and eliminate any excess inflammation. Level 2 is to help you tone up your muscles. Level 3 is maintenance. So this is really important. I'm going to tell you why. Because this is a journey, not a destination. So my goal is to have each and every one of you, listen, each and every one of you a part of this fitness journey with me. I've been doing this for 30 years and I'm going to be doing it for 50 more, right? So how do we do it? Together. We are better together. So this is the way that we actually reach our goals, by staying in community with one another, by staying in community with people who have like-minded goals. So I encourage you to check in every day. So how much does a membership cost? It's $29.99. That is $1 a day. Let me tell you, you go have your Starbucks 3 times a day, you got your membership. Some of you guys are spending money on excess stuff that is not making you better, that is not up-leveling your life. This is the one thing that you do in life that is for you, for your health and well-being. And without you, what's the point? What's the point of anything else that you do if you're not loving and taking care of yourself? So this $1 a day is the most expensive, most important. Yeah, actually it's most expensive if you don't do it. Because if you don't do it, right, then you have ailments, you can't fit your clothes, you're not feeling good about yourself, you're not showing good for your family or your friends or anything, you feel low. That cost, right? Feeling bad about yourself costs you in your life. So absolutely. So this is the most affordable way to live a great life. The next thing is we have a VIP membership. The VIP membership is a step above. So you probably heard that we have challenges, and we have challenges because they're super fun. It allows us to do work on just the waist and the butt or fat burning and getting ready for the summer. It brings in new people, new energy, and a great sense of community. I have over 25 challenges available for you guys. So what you can do is up level to a VIP membership. Now, what does that mean? That means effectively after you do level 1, 2, and 3, you have access to a new challenge every single month. And what that does is it makes it exciting for you. So I am going to be hosting new challenges with our team, and we can all do them together, and I guarantee you that it's so much fun. Now, if you just want to get your toe wet, boom, there's a way that you can just sign up for a challenge. So if you just want to get your toe wet, you guys can sign up just for a challenge. And we have a new challenge coming up every couple of months. Once you join the TRFC and you become part of the community, every new challenge, that is a challenge that we have not done before, is free with your TRFC membership. So most challenges cost about $39.99 per month. And if you don't want to sign up to be a subscribing member, then you can get your feet wet by trying out a challenge. So we have those challenges. I'll be announcing them on this page on Facebook. You can subscribe. There's no commitment. You can just join a challenge. So as I said, there's 3 ways that you guys can get involved to live a fit, fierce, and fabulous life with me. Number 1, you can join the TRFC. Once you join the TRFC, it is the place to be to get the body you love. It's $29.99 per month, roughly $1 per day. Actually, actually less than $1 per day when we have 31 days in a month. And it is the best investment you will ever spend. It is an investment in you, in your well-being, and your consistency, because we know that it requires constant, consistent commitment to get results. This next thing that you can do is up-level your membership for $37.99. And not only do you get to be a TRFC member, you get all of the spa days for free, plus you also get all of the VIP challenges included in your membership. So we have over 20 challenges that you can do each month with us, because after you've done level 1, 2, and 3, you're gonna wanna keep it going, right? So you can do challenges that way, and we do new ones each month together, right? The reason why we do them together is because it's more fun. It's more fun to do the challenges together. And the third way that you can get involved is just join the challenge. So there's individual challenges that you can do. They're 30 days. We have one coming up called the Sexy Summer Body Challenge. We have Body Like a Rock Star, all about that waist, 30-30-30, 21-day Mind, Body, Spirit Cleanse. We have so many different challenges. So if you're our VIP member, you get access to all of them. If you are a regular member, you get access to every new challenge. And if you just want to try it out, you can do one challenge. So to repeat, to join the TRFC, $29.99 per month subscription. This is an investment in you. It's the best investment that you can ever make. It's because it's for your health and well-being. Without you, hey, none of the other stuff matters. So you get to be at your best every single day. Number 2, you can join the VIP membership, so a couple of dollars more, $37.99. So it's like, what, $8 more? You can get access to all of the challenges, right? Plus you get free spa days. Ooh, that's so delicious, right? And thirdly, if you just want to get your feet wet, you can join a challenge for $39.99 per month and sign up and have fun and see what it's like to really be a part of this community. So you guys, I'm glad that you are here. If you are a free guest, okay, I want you to enjoy the page, get to know people, invite your friends here, reach out to me. There's something called you should see if in the featured post. It's a way to navigate the site, reach out to one another so that you can really start to feel at home here. You can always send me a message. I will answer you. All right, you guys, so remember, as always, CCC equals FFF. What does that mean? Constant, consistent commitment leads to a fit, fierce, and fabulous life. It is not a destination. It is a journey. It is a journey. So allow me to be your coach on this journey to live a fit, fierce, and fabulous life forever. I love you guys.